What if you could start investing with just your spare change? Seriously, what if every time you bought a coffee or a late-night snack, a few cents automatically went into an investment portfolio? Sounds a little too good to be true, right? Well, it's not. This is exactly what Acorns does, and in this video, we're going to break down everything you need to know about this revolutionary app. So, let's start with the basics. What is Acorns? At its core, Acorns is a micro-investing platform. It's designed to make investing simple and accessible, especially for people who think they don't have enough money to get started. The magic really happens with its roundups feature. You link your debit or credit cards, and every time you make a purchase, Acorns rounds up to the nearest dollar and invests the difference. For example, a $3.50 coffee becomes $4.50 gets invested. It's a frictionless way to build an investment habit without even thinking about it. But Acorns is more than just rounding up. It also offers a range of investment portfolios. When you sign up, you'll answer a few simple questions about your financial goals and risk tolerance. Based on your answers, Acorns will recommend one of 5 diversified portfolios, ranging from conservative to aggressive. These portfolios are built using low-cost ETFs, which are essentially baskets of stocks and bonds. This means you're not just buying one company's stock, you're investing in a wide range of companies, which helps reduce risk. Now, let's talk about the cost. Acorns has a tiered subscription model, starting at just a few dollars a month. The basic plan gives you access to the investment account. As you move up, you get more features like a retirement account, a checking account, and even an account for your kids. For the amount of value it provides, especially in terms of automation and education, the monthly fee is often well worth it. So, how do you get started? It's incredibly easy. You download the app, create an account, link your bank accounts, and choose your portfolio. That's it. You can set up one-time or recurring investments in addition to the roundups, giving you full control over how much you want to invest. Acorns makes investing less intimidating. It's not about trying to time the market or pick the next hot stock. It's about consistency, automation, and long-term growth. It's about turning your everyday habits into a powerful wealth-building tool. Whether you're a student, a young professional, or just someone who's been putting off investing, Acorns gives you the perfect way to get your foot in the door. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.